What's up, everybody? This is Polo, a Polo PC Repair, DJ Marco Polo of Fine Minds Inc. And in this video, we're going to discuss if your Fire Stick is telling you that you need to delete items, that your storage is full. So on my demo device, that's not the issue, but I still can tell you how to fix that problem. So from your home page, go to Settings, go to Applications, go to Manage and Install Applications, and don't click on anything. So right here, this is how much space you have, and then it's telling you how much you have available. So this one has 1.14 gigs. Now we're going to go to ES File Explorer. So if you have a Fine Minds device, Polo PC device, you should have ES File Explorer. So let's go to that by going to Your Apps and Channels, going to See All to your left or all the way down to your right, and we're going to go to ES File Explorer. Now, ES File Explorer is going to give us a percentage right here. So it says the same thing as the stick, but it's telling you that it's 77% full. So those of you who are having issues, it's probably above 90%. So I'm going to tell you all the spots that have items that you might want to delete. So first of all, let's start with apps. So let's go to apps. Here will list all of the apps that's on your device. So if there's an app that you're not familiar with or that you know you don't watch, delete it. Since this stick was bought in for an update, and some of these apps I know I'm going to update, I'm going to delete them. So KFTV Launcher. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click Uninstall. And it's going to uninstall the app. And then you can hit the back button.
I was trying to figure out which direction you was going for.
So yeah, you have to wait for it to uninstall.
Some of them are quicker than others.
So another one is Cyberflix. I'm going to uninstall that by clicking on it and click uninstall. Now, most of these apps are fairly small. So they won't free up that much space. So when this is done uninstalling, when I go back to my home, well, one of those was fairly large. So I went from 77 to 66. So you can uninstall apps and that'll free up space. Now the other place will be in these. So movies, music, images, downloader. Go in these folders and start deleting things. So this says images and it says folder is empty folder. So you hit the back button. I'm gonna go to let me see if I can find something. Movies. So it's 3 movies on here. I'm gonna delete these movies. You highlight them, you hold down the center button, it's gonna put a green check mark there. I'm going to go to the next one, hit select. It's going to put a green check mark there. Put a green check mark there. And then I'm going to go to delete. Now, I want to uncheck move to recycle bin because I want it to delete. I don't want to go to the recycle bin. And that's where I'm going to go next anyways. So those are all deleted. The next thing you want to check is your recycle bin. So click on recycle bin. And see, I have nothing in here. So if you have something in here, you're going to click on clear all. That'll clear out your recycle bin. So let me go back home to see where my space is at now. So I'm still at 66%. But those apps, when it brought it down from 77 to 66. A lot of people have movies downloaded or something downloaded that can be deleted. Let me check one more spot, which is downloader. No download tags is found, so nothing in there. Check compress, nothing there. And that's it. So that'll be most of your places where you want to check. Another quick thing we can do is let's go back into applications. Because you can, I think, sort it by the size. So we're gonna go to settings. Let's go to applications, manage install applications at the bottom. And show all applications. Let's show internal only. Let me find the sort. So yeah, the apps are sorted by size automatically. So the larger apps are going to be at the top. So whatever this is, if it's an app that you see that's kind of large at the top, go ahead and uninstall it. So TTV is 66 megs and it's using a cache. So I'm gonna click on TTV and I can click uninstall. So this is another way you can uninstall apps. You can uninstall it from ES File Explorer or from the Firestick itself. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is download an app, and this app is called Background Task. So from your home screen, go to the left one time, type in BACK, and go down to Background Processes. This also can help speed up your device. So we click on Background Processes, and the app we're going to install is called Background Apps and Process List. So click on that. This is going to list all the apps that run in the background. So you click on that, it's going to process, it's going to download, and then it's going to install. So I'm not going to play the video while it does this. When the video comes back, it'll be installed already. So it's done downloading and installing. So I'm going to click on open. So now it's loading up all the things that's running in the background. And sometimes background apps can use up space. So what I want to do is hit close all apps. And when you do that, it's going to open up to this screen. So you're going to go to force stop. Hit the back button on your remote. You can do it for every app. Force stop, hit the back button. Force stop, hit the back button.
Cache. Clear cache.
Clear cache.
Yeah.
So that'll help if you force stop and clear the cache of all the apps. That'll free up some space also. So that's how you clear off the space in your Fire Stick if you have that error message. I hope this helps. If it doesn't, just shoot me an inbox or leave a comment in this video on Facebook, and we'll see if we can tackle it ourselves down at the shop. This is Polo PC Repair.